me read this story. An old man with steel-rimmed spectacles, having frame of steel and very dusty clothes, sat by the side of the road. There was a pontoon bridge. Pontoon bridge, a bridge that is made of large hollow container filled with air. Pontoon bridge across the rivers, and carts, trucks, and men, women, and children were crossing. The mule-drawn carts staggered. Staggered means walked slowly with heavy step up the steep bank, narrow bank from the bridge, with soldiers helping push against the spokes of the wheels. The trucks ground up and away, heading out of it all, and the peasant moved along in the ankle-deep dust. But the old man sat there without moving. He was too tired to go any further. It was my business. So here the young soldier is the narrator of the story. It was my business. That it refers to the soldier to cross the bridge, explore the bridgehead beyond, and find out to what point the enemy had advanced or move ahead. I did this and returned over the bridge. There were not so many carts now, and very few people on foot, but the old man was still there. Where do you come from? I asked him. The soldier asked the old man about his destination. From San Carlos, he said, and smiled. That was his native town. San Carlos was the native town of the old man, and so it gave him pleasure, delight, joy, happiness to mention it, and he smiled. I was taking care of animals, he explained. Oh, I said, not quite understanding. Yes, he said, I stayed. You see, taking care of animals. I was the last one to leave the town of San Carlos. He did not look like a shepherd nor a herdsman, and I looked at his black, dusty clothes. Please underline black, dusty clothes, and his grey, dusty face, and his steel-rimmed spectacles, and said, what animals were they? Various animals, he said, and shook his head. I had to leave them. So old man is a symbol of defeat of liberal democracy in Spain. There was a Spanish Civil War in 1938 during that time. We are going to see a story written by Ernest Hemingway, Old Man at the Bridge. Ernest Hemingway was born on July 21, 1899. He was an American novelist, short story writer, and journalist. His economical and understated style had a strong influence on 20th century fiction, while his life of adventure and his public image influenced later generations. Hemingway produced most of his work between the mid-1920s and the mid-1950s. He won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1954. He published 7 novels, 6 short story collections, and 2 non-fiction works. Additional works, including 3 novels, 4 short story collections, and 3 non-fiction works, were published posthumously. The Old Man and the Sea is considered classic of American literature. Now let's see about the story. The story Old Man at the Bridge is about a conversation between a soldier and an old man who had to leave his hometown during the Spanish Civil War. An old man with spectacles sat exhausted by the side of a road near a pontoon bridge that crossed the river. The soldier got engaged in conversation with the old man. During the conversation, he came to know that the old man was worried about his animals that he had left behind. The old man told the soldier that he had the charge of 2 goats, a cat, and 4 pairs of pigeons. He said that a captain had told him to leave the town and the animals because of artillery fire. He had no family, but he expressed concern about what would happen to his animals. He said that the cat would be all right because cats could look after themselves, but he did not know what would happen to the other animals. The soldier was concerned about the old man's safety, whereas the old man was concerned about his animal safety. He told the soldier that he was an old man of 76 and had come 12 kilometers and was too tired to walk up the road and catch a ride on a truck to Barcelona. The old man thanked the soldier for his concern for his safety, but he continued to express his concern over the fate of the animals he had left behind. The old man could not get rid of the thought about the safety of his animals. In the end, the soldier felt pity for him and thought there was nothing to do about him. In fact, the story deals with the theme of depression and impending death.